Hello everyone. In our previous video, we discussed the print and input functions used in Python. In this video, we will move one step further and talk about conditional statements, which is a very important concept in programming. Conditional statements are used for branching, meaning they help the program make decisions based on certain conditions. We test a condition and based on whether it's true or false, the program chooses a specific path to follow. In this video, we will focus on the if statement, how it's used, what its syntax looks like, and how we can write simple programs using it to understand the concept better. So the very first program we will be writing today is to check which number is greater. For this, we'll input two numbers by the user and both the numbers should be integer, so we will write int input enter first number. Now we will input the second number enter second number. Now we will put condition if b is greater than a. Then it will print b is greater than a. But if this condition is false, that b is greater than a, then it will go to another condition, elif. Elif is a shortened way of else if. So if the first condition b is greater than a is not true, then it will see the second condition written in elif. So we'll give the second condition if a is equals to b, which implies that the computer will check the equality between a and b. If a and b are equal, then it will print a and b are equal. If this condition is also false, then it will print a is greater than b. So else means if all the above conditions are false, then it will print or do the work written in else. So let's try running this program. Let the first number be 4, second be 6, then of course b is greater than a. So it has shown the result. Alright, so let's see another program, that is to check if the number is less than 10 or between 10 or 20 or greater than 20. So for it, we'll again input one number let it be a. Then we will put the condition if a is greater than 10. Then it will print above 10 and will write the second condition here itself, if x is greater than 20. Then it will print and also above 20. But let's say the number is greater than 10 but it is less than 20, then it will follow this condition, else print but not above 20. Our variable is a. Alright, so okay, Now let's say if a is not greater than 10, then what the program will do? So it will print a is less than 10. Let's run this program. Okay, so our number was 4 and it has shown that a is less than 10. We could have also made this program like we would give the first condition as if a is greater than 10 and less than 20, it will print above 10 but not above 20. And we'll give the second condition with elif a is greater than 20, then it would print it is above 20. And then we would have given else print a is less than 10. So there are multiple ways to make one program. So let's move to another program, which is to check whether the number is even or odd. We know the logic behind this, that the number will be even when it will be divisible by 2 and odd numbers are not divisible by 2. So let's input a number from the user, let it be a. Then if a is divisible by 2, then it will print even number. But if it is not divisible by 2, then it will print odd number. Let's run this program. So let the number be 6, and it is of course an even number which is shown here. Okay, so let's move on with another program, which is to check whether our year is leap or not. So checking leap year or not. So for this we'll input a year, then if it will be divisible by 4, then the year will be leap year. Then we need to print leap year, else print not a leap year. Alright, so let's test this program. Let's say 2025. So it's not a leap year. Let's see another program wherein we can check whether the number given by the user is a 3-digit number or not. So we can write enter number is a 3-digit number or not. We'll input one number again, and then we'll write the condition if I is greater than 99 and it is also smaller than 1000, then it will print that it is a 3-digit number, else it will print it is not a 3-digit number. Okay, so let us run this program. If the number suppose be 45, then it is not a 3-digit number. My bad. 45. so not a 3-digit number. Now here are some practice questions. First one is to write a program to check whether the number is positive or negative or 0. And the second question is to write a program whether a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Now pause the video and try making the codes yourself. I hope you have tried this. Now let's discuss the answers. For the first solution 1, the question was to write a program to check whether the number is positive or negative or 0. So you know the number will be positive when it will be greater than 0, it will be negative when it will be less than 0, and of course it is 0 when it will be equal to 0. So let's input one number by the user. Let it be I this time. Now we will write the condition if I is greater than 0. Then it will print positive number. We will give another condition if I is less than 0. Then it will print negative number. If I is neither greater than 0 nor less than 0, then it will print number is 0. So let the number be 0, and both the codes have run, so number is neither a 3-digit number Okay, so let's see the results. So let the number be 0, and it has shown the same. Let us see question number 2, which is to write a program where the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Okay, so again we need to input one number. Now we can write the first condition as if I is divisible by 2 and it is also divisible by 3. Then it will print divisible by 2 and 3 both. But let us say it is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. Then it has to print divisible by 2 but not by 3. But if the number is not divisible by 2, then So you can see I have indented this if and else. The first condition is if it is divisible by 2, then it will go to this. But let us say the number is 3, then it is not divisible by 2. This statement will be false. Then it will directly come to this else and it will print that the number is not divisible by 2. But if the number is divisible by 2, then it will come to this condition and check if the number is divisible by 3. Let us say it is 6, then it is indeed divisible by 3. Then it will print that the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. But let us say the number is 4, then it will not be divisible by 3, so it will print divisible by 2 but not by 3. Let's run this program. So you can see 824 is divisible by 2 but not by 3. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more coding content. Happy coding!